Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to talk about bird poop. Have you ever wondered why bird poop is white? Have you ever wondered why bird poop is damaging to your car's paint, ceramic coating, or clear bra? Well, I'm going to give you everything you need to know right in this video as it relates to auto detailing and bird poop. First, we need to understand the pH scale. The pH scale ranges from 0, which is most acidic hydrochloric acid and similar, all the way up to 14, which is alkaline, and that would be some cleaners and such, where around 7 is about the midway, and you know that we use pH neutral in the mid of the range to wash our vehicles, and we do that for a reason, because we don't want to damage the ceramic coating, we don't want to damage the paint or any other part of the car. So understand that bird poop is really the P, but it's a 3.5 or above, 3.5 to 4.5 on the pH scale, which ranges around between vinegar and wine on the pH neutral or on the pH scale. So even something such as soda, if you've ever heard about cleaning, like with a can of Coke, for example, soda ranges from 2.5 to 3.5, and so soda can actually etch your marble countertops. And so bird poop can be close to that in acidity. So realize if the soda can, etch through your marble or stone countertop, the bird poop certainly can on your car's paint and ceramic coating. So why is bird poop so acidic? Bird poop is really not bird poop. The white that you see in the bird poop is actually uric acid, and the poop is the darker stuff that's in the middle. So the white is actually their pee, so to speak. But why is it white? What's going on there? So the birds have an organ, unlike mammals, called a cloaca. And the cloaca mixes up the urine and the feces, and birds don't pee and poop separately. It gets mixed into this uric acid mixture in the cloaca, and it gets onto your car, of course, but it shows up as white because of the acid. So the white is what's really coming after your vehicle, but that whole mixture is a 3.5 to 4.5 on the pH scale in terms of acidity. Is all hope lost if you get bird poop on your vehicle? No, hopefully not. If you have caught it right away, what you can do is you can keep a towel. This is a Mr. Everything from Auto Fiber. We keep a towel in our vehicle. We can either use some waterless wash or even some quick detailer. This is SB3 Maintain. This is American Detailer Garage Wipeout, and we can gently wipe it off. That's why we keep a nice soft microfiber in the vehicle. Gently wipe it off. If it's on clear bra, you can be a little bit more aggressive because the clear bra is self-healing. If you scuff it up a little bit, it should heal in the sun. But on ceramic coating or bare paint, you have to be a little bit more careful. You remember what I say, every time you touch the car is a chance you could scratch it. So we wet it down as much as possible to be as gentle as possible and make multiple passes if you need to. If it gets to the point where you notice a ring or a stain where the bird poop was, when you removed it, it's probably going to need a polish using a machine polisher. If it's been on there for a really long time, it may need wet sanded, and in some cases may not be savable at all. So the best solution is to see it as soon as possible and remove it. Make it a priority if you notice you have bird poop on the vehicle to get rid of it, so that the sun especially does not contribute to the etching. So I hope this video was helpful for you. We try to answer these questions often, and I hope this helps. Subscribe to us and you will get more videos, more questions answered.